You are going to love the 2017 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, steel wheels, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, premium sound system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.